Hello, it's been a while. I'm back. I've been real busy. Here's some shots of what I've been sort of up to. I've started doing videos again. I've been doing a lot of commercial work. I'm still doing domestic work. I'm doing anything in the gas industry still. I've been filming. I have hundreds of videos ready to edit and stuff. I just haven't had time. But I've decided this new year I'm going to make the effort and start doing videos again. They may not be to the same sort of editing standard as before and stuff like that, but I'm fine with that. So yeah, let's just start getting back into it. And I've done loads of stuff the last few years. I've sold my drift. I gave my drift car away. I focused solely on commercial for a little bit. I'm back now doing domestic for a bit. I tried to get into doing some process burners. I've done a lot more on electronics. I started training people. Yeah, it's been an interesting couple of years. Can we get that back up there without that leaking? I doubt it. Right, to get onto this job now. The job you're going to actually see here that I've been working on. This is a Heatline Capris that on my first visit, the PRV was leaking and the plate heat exchanger was blocked. Standard sort of stuff. So I ordered a PRV and a plate heat exchanger and went back. And this is how I got on. Hardest PRV in the job, I reckon. Plate out, gas valve out. Used to with a tap spanner from the front here, have a tap spanner going down there to undo that nut. I just found this easier. Pulled the plate out. I'm changing the plate on this one anyway, but pulled the plate out, gas valve out, get it done. Alright, so if you know me and you know my channel, I always pump a vessel, okay? So here I am, boiler's done, plates in, gas valves in. I've got the gas off here, just doing my flame failure device check. The vessel's been pumped. I'm about to put the boiler back together, thinking I'm going home. Well, thinking I'm going on to my next job. Obviously, things don't always go to plan, and this is what happens. I've just done a plate heat exchanger and a PRV on this. I pumped the vessel, obviously, I always do. Pump the vessel, and here's what's happened once I filled it up. So we've got to strip it all down again because we've got blocked the tube that comes from the expansion vessel on these. It comes down, curves up and goes into where the pump is. That is blocked, so it's time to take it out. Okay, so stripped it down again. That's the plate I've just replaced. That's the PRV I've just replaced. And there's the hose that's probably kinked. Well, it's probably full of crap. So if you look, the clip pulls out backwards. That's always nice and fun. And if you look where it all is, perfect. Now it's hot too. Okay, so this is a tip. If you're ever dealing with one of them pipes that's kinked or blocked, you need to let the pressure out of the expansion vessel. Otherwise, when you do it down the bottom here, all the pressure and filthy water comes flooding out on you. I mean, we're going to get loads of dirty water coming out anyway, but at least it's not under pressure. See? Done. Gas valve pipe out the way. Now, this is where you get loads of crap come out if you haven't thingied the vessel. Oh, this is warm. So this is all the water that's in the vessel. Now leaving the vessel. Hopefully not ending up in the gas valve. There you go, that's all the filthy water that would be coming out uncontrollably. Lovely. Okay, so I had to go then because it was getting a little bit juicy down here. I've just put that bung in it for now. I'm going to now get it out of that end, unblock that tube, then I'll refit that tube. Once it's refitted, I'll then pump the vessel and all the crap will come out of the filling loop hose into the bucket. Block there, not so block there. There we go, got it. Okay. So I'll get this pumped up. There you go, the vessel's finally empty. Look how dirty that's coming. So the vessel's empty. So now anything I put in should stay in. Okay. Get it off, excuse the focus. Get it off, get it filled with water before I put any of the gas stuff back in. Looks good. Looks good. I'm now going to get them bone dry with some, and then we'll see. LDF'd all that. Now I've just got to do burner pressure, combustion analysis, and it's done. Because that's now going to be stable and not end up over here at 3 bar. What a palaver. Combustion's all good. Nice and safe. Let's get out of here. Hey, well there you go. I told you the edits would be a lot rougher than they used to be. It's going to take me a while to get back into it. Some exciting news. If you're a gas engineer and you live in Luton or Bedfordshire, Dunstable, down to St Albans, even in North London, we have positions available. So if you go to the homepage on YouTube here, you can find links to the website and you can just contact us through there. Also, if you're someone who needs to build their portfolio for becoming an engineer in the gas industry, you can also contact us there. We might have something that will interest you. More videos to come, hopefully on a much more regular basis. I'll see you soon.